Welcome to Take a Leopard channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change font style on your Microsoft Teams. So at first, just open up your Microsoft Teams, then just go inside chat, and from chat, just pick any chat. And here, you can type your message here. Just type anything here. And to format your font, what you have to do is just come here to the plus button, which is Action and Apps. Just click on it. And you will get this option called Show Formatting Options. Just click on this. This will give you so many options in here. Now, if you click on B or Control plus B, that's gonna bold your text or font. And if you want to put something in italic, just select that part and click on this italic I, or just hit Control plus I. And if you want to underline something, just select the entire thing and click on U or underline. And this is gonna underline the entire thing. You also have the option to strike through. Just select the part of text you want and click on this button. And this is gonna strike through the message, as you can see over here. And there's also option to format things using a bullet point. Just select the list and click on bullet, and it's gonna be bulleted list. You can also put numbers here. And there's also option to highlight them. If you want to highlight your message, you can also do this. Just click on this highlight option, and that's it. And there's also option to change the font color. You could change the text color if you want. There you go. And then there's also option to change the font size, I believe. You can set it to small. You can set some to maybe large. And there you go. And you can also quote stuff from here as well. This part will go as a quote now. And if you want, you can insert link to your text too. To insert links, just select that part and click here on insert link. And the display text from here is link, and give it a website. Let's say www.facebook.com. So whenever someone clicks on this link, they will go to facebook.com. You can also add a code block. For example, if you code, you can add a block that prints your code from here as well. For example, this is our code block. We'll just select it and click on code block. And now this will go as a code. And there's a few more options from here as well. You can browse them if you want. And basically that is it. And that is how to change font style on your Microsoft Teams. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.